This video is going to show how to get hard water stains off of glass shower doors. As you can see, this one is really in bad shape. Now I'm going to be using a magic eraser, which looks like this. This one's a little bit partially used. I'm going to dip it in water and squeeze it out, and then just start using it and really putting some pressure on it so that we can hopefully get these hard water stains out. Okay, so now I've done a pretty good first go at this, and now I'm just going to take some paper towels and dry it off. And what you might find is that you may have to go back over a couple of areas, but it does a pretty good job of getting an awful lot of that initial hard water stains off, as you can see. Now, the best trick for keeping shower glass clean is use a squeegee, and after you're finished taking a shower, just squeegee it off, and then the water doesn't build up and stay on there and start to etch into the glass like this one did.